Okay guys, this is the prize one on JD Quad's channel, and it's a Subotech BG1510. It's not this model, it's the green one. And also the Flytec little quads in there as well. So just a quick unboxing. Thanks JD for sending me this. It's absolutely brilliant. I'm dead chuffed with it. And anyone who's interested in quads and drones and radio controlled cars, planes, anything like that, I can thoroughly recommend his website, his channel, his YouTube channel. I'll put a link in the description. Go and check it out, subscribe. Just thanks for that JD, absolutely brilliant, made up. So just quickly unbox it. So we've got that's the controller for the Flytec. It's quite a big controller. That's all the instructions and bump for the car and stuff, and you get the little, that's the tool for the screwdriver in there as well, charging cable, etc. So there's the little buggy. I'm quite excited to take that out for a spin. It's been a while since I've driven one of these, but I'm sure I'll enjoy it. And there's a little Flytec in there, look at that, that's a little cutie. Wow, that's incredibly small, very small, but it feels sturdy. Yeah, that is a little cutie. So looking forward to taking this one out as well. And, JD did quite a good video on this, and it seems to fly quite well. So it'd be nice to take that one out. So this is the little Flytec T13 that I won off JD Quad's channel. That's it, folded out. It really is small, unbelievably small, but it's really cute, and it flies really well. So I'm looking forward to taking it out and seeing how well it does actually go. So thank you very much for that, JD. So here's the little buggy. And this has a brilliant run time on it. So well over 30 minutes, I believe, which is plenty of time. And it's a fast little thing as well, from what I could see. That looks brilliant. Thanks for that, JD. That's excellent. Stunning car. And that's the control for it. Yeah, that feels great. That's all the trim stuff there, look. That's where the battery goes, so I'll be sticking some batteries in that, charging these up, and I'll be taking these out in my next video, so look out for that. Thanks again, JD, that's brilliant. I'm well chuffed. Bye bye for now.